Good morning, dear students. This is your math class, and I'm going to teach you mathematics of 6th grade. Before starting our exercise, let us take a pledge against COVID 19. I commit to be vigilant and bear in mind at all times the risk to myself and my colleagues from COVID 19. I promise to take all necessary precautions that prevent the spread of this deadly virus. I promise to follow and encourage others to follow the key COVID appropriate behaviors, to always wear a mask, face cover, especially when in public places, to maintain a minimum distance of 6 feet from others, to wash my hands frequently and thoroughly with soap and water. Together, we will win this fight against COVID 19. So, now let us start our chapter. Open your math books. Today we are going to start our exercise number 1.5, page number 12, 1 to 12. So in our this exercise we are having a simple formula. It is called BODMAS. B stands for the bracket, D stands for the division, M stands for the multiplication, and A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. After that we are having three kind of brackets. The first one is the simple bracket. We call it simple bracket and we also call it parenthesis. Next is double or curly bracket. A bracket which is in this shape, it is called a double or it is called a curly bracket. Next is square bracket. It is called square bracket. The edges of this bracket are square, so it is called square bracket. Moving to next, some another grouping symbol. After BODMAS symbols we are having one more symbol. It is called bar or vinculum. It is used whenever there is a bar over any numbers. That number should be solved first as compared to the BODMAS. We have to solve bar first. Wherever there is a bar we have to solve bar first. After solving the bar we have to solve the BODMAS rule. Now moving on to exercise. Our exercise is, the first question is, work out the operations of each of the pair of problems. Are the results same or different? We are having a pair of numbers. For example, in first question we are having two numbers. Even we can say that we have pair of numbers. In this we have to solve the pairs and then we have to check whether the answers are same or different. So let us have a look over our assignment. This is our assignment. In this, the first question is 13 minus 5 multiply by 2 and the another pair is 13 minus 5 bracket multiply by 2. So using our BODMAS rule, according to BODMAS rule, in first question we are having 13 minus 5 then multiply by 2. So according to BODMAS we have firstly solved the multiply, then we solve the addition. So simply solving the multiply first. 13 minus 5 to the 10, so 13 minus 10. On another side 13 minus 5 multiply by 2. According to BODMAS we have to solve the bracket first. So 13 minus 5 will be 8, then multiplying 8 with 2. So the answer is 13 minus 10 is 3 and the other answer is 16. So we simply say that no, the results are not same, they are different. So similarly, moving to our next question, it is 16 minus 4 plus 9 divided by 3 and 16 minus 4 plus 9 divided by 3. So simply using BODMAS, firstly solve the bracket. We have to solve the bracket first. So firstly solve the bracket. 16 plus 9 will be 25. Then 25 minus 4 will be 21. Then divide 21 with 7. That answer will be 7. On another side, firstly we have to solve the division. So 9 divided by 3 would be 9. 16 minus 4 would be 12. So 12 plus 3, that will be 15. So the answers are again different. Similarly, in the next question, the answers are again different. So moving to our next question, in the next question what we have to do, simplify the following. In the next question we have to simplify a complex statement. What is the statement? 13 plus 5 bar plus 100 divided by 10 plus curly bracket 15 multiplied by 2 parenthesis 13 minus 9 bar divided by 5 minus 1 bar parenthesis closed square curly bracket closed and then square bracket is closed. So firstly, according to BODMAS, we have to solve the bar first. So simply solving the bar first. 13 plus 5, here it is bar, so 13 plus 5 will be 15. Then next, solving division, we have 100 divided by 10, that would be 10. Next, solving the bars. 13 minus 9 bar will be 4, 5 minus will be 1, again 4. So 15 multiplied by 2, that is 30. So 4 divided by 4 is 1. So 30 multiplied 1 would be 30. Again 30 plus 10 would be 40. So our answer is 58 itself. So moving to our next question. In our next question, the question is 18 divided by 9, 4 multiplied by 2 plus 5. So what we have to do, firstly we have to solve the bracket. So simply solve the bracket using BODMAS. Simply solve the bracket. 4 minus 2 will be 2. So the question is next, 18 divided by 9 multiply by 2 plus 5. So firstly open the bracket. So 18 divided by 9 to the 18. 18 divided by 18 plus 5. So according to BODMAS, firstly solve the bracket. 18 divided by 18, that would be 1, and here it is 5. So 5 plus 1 is 6. Moving to the next, 297 divided by 3 plus curly bracket 4 multiplied by 3 parenthesis 20 minus 36 divided by 5 minus 2 bar bracket closed curly bracket closed square bracket closed. So using BODMAS rule, firstly solve the bar. So firstly when we subtract this one, because it is having bar, so we have to solve it first. So solving it, that would be 3. Next 20 minus 36. 20 minus 36 would be minus 16. So next is 20 minus 36 divided by 3. So firstly we have to solve the divide. So simply 36 divided by 3, it is minus 12. So 20 minus 12 would be 8. So 12 8s are 96. Similarly 297 divided by 3 would be 99. So whenever we plus 99 plus 96, that would be 195. This exercise includes only 6 questions. I have solved all the questions. If you still have any doubts, you can ask your doubts in your face-to-face interaction class. Otherwise this exercise is done with me. Whenever we start our next class, we will solve our next exercise. I guess it would be our next chapter, because this chapter is done. We will start our second chapter. The name of our second chapter is, we just have finished this exercise. Our next chapter is operations on whole number. In our new exercise we will start whole numbers and we will study about the operations of a whole number. Thank you. Have a nice day.